There's nothing more pure or authentic than riding a single-speed bike. The connection between the rider and the bike isn't interrupted by any complication of gears or anything that's unnecessary. There's a reason why this is the bike of choice for New York City messengers and alley cat racers, and has been for years. So at Priority, we wanted to take the single-speed fixed gear and elevate it. And that's why we developed the Ace. We added a belt to the bike because a belt drive is lower maintenance and the bike's also cleaner. The other advantage of a belt is that it's super smooth. Compared to a chain, riding fixed or riding single speed, the belt just meshes so smoothly with the cogs. You can feel really connected to the bike, and it also offers a level of responsiveness that even fixed gear riders aren't used to. Previous iterations of single speed belt drive bikes didn't offer an easy way to change the gear ratio, or it was prohibitively expensive to do so. So we developed our own hub to overcome that obstacle. Let me take you through some of the features that make the Ace unique. So it all starts with our unique flip-flop fixed cassette hub. And that's laced up to a nice semi-deep V rim with a thick slick tire mounted on it. And those are mounted onto our beautiful aluminum frame with some nice custom details on it. We've got our Priority race saddle on there. And then if we go towards the front of the bike, we've got some nice wide flat bars to give you good leverage and a good position on the bike. Some nice mushroom style grips for you, and dual brake levers. So as you can see, there's a different set of specs for our two different models. For the more commuter focused rider, we've got the clubs. And for a more performance-focused rider, we have the spades. For the commuter, we have a little bit lighter gearing and a more affordable component spec. And that's just a great option to get you where you need to go in a fun and simple way. And for the performance-focused rider, we've got a higher geared bike with more race-inspired components and more carbon fiber to get you there faster. We've been working for a long time to really perfect the Ace. So if you have any questions, reach out. We're available 7 days a week.